Hello again, guys. Today we're going to be replacing this door lock guide. You can see mine is cracked right here. I do have the little red light for the alarm, and here's the part number for it, made in Germany. I got this from ecstuning.com. You can check them out. They have a lot of good parts for these cars. Anyways, we're going to get started. Unfortunately, we have to take the whole door panel off to access this. So I do have a door panel removal video. You can check that out because I'm not going to repeat another video. So check that out, and then you can figure out how to do it that way. It's not too bad, but it does take some time. Alright guys, if you want, you can take a little shortcut here. Instead of removing the whole panel, you can take off, this part here and remove these 3 screws. But you don't have to go all the way, I don't think. And then down here, these 3 T20 torque screws, remove those and pop it off. And what you can do is slowly move it away from the door and leave it supported up front here in that window channel. And you can easily reach in here and remove this guide. So I'm going to slowly push up on it, because it comes out through the top. Alright, just like that. And then if you reach in here, it's this wire that goes down, and hopefully I can pull it out here with one hand. There we go. Easy enough. Now we come up to the top and slowly pull this up through here, make sure it doesn't get caught on anything, which it is. And we'll slowly pull it up through. Just be careful with the end here. There we go. Okay, so that's out. Set that aside. You can see this was all cracked and just completely worn out. So I decided to get a new one. That saves some time though, instead of removing the whole panel. I thought you might have to, but you don't. As long as you have it supported right here, so it's resting in here, and yeah, you can slowly reach behind it and disconnect that like I just did. Okay, I removed this new guide from the packaging. As you can see what the new one looks like, and the old one is just missing some plastic, obviously. That's the part number right there. Also in the package. Made in Germany. This verifies it's the same length, which I did. And now we just go ahead and install. Insert this end first and slowly feed it through. You might have to go on the other side here and guide it and make sure it's not getting hung up on anything. Just take your time with it. You don't want to force anything. Now, if you don't have the little light for the alarm, this will be much easier, because you don't have the wires to deal with. Okay, you can see this only goes one way. The larger end goes towards the rear of the car. So like that, and just push it down into place. It'll snap in there. You can see those 2 little tabs there will snap in. Like so. That looks a lot better. Okay, now we can reach in here and try to get this connector into the other female end. Alright, there we go. It's in there. Okay. So that worked out pretty good. Now it's just a matter of putting everything back on and lining this door lock pin back in the guide there. So yeah, not too bad. I thought I was gonna have to take this whole panel off, but I guess not. Alright guys, I got everything back together on the outside of the vehicle here. I'm gonna go ahead and lock the door. Sorry for my dirty windows. See, it works perfectly. Let's unlock it. There we go. Looks great. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Hit that like button. See you in the next one.